Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Delta airline plane tickets online in 2023. Delta Airline is one of the world's leading airlines, renowned for its exceptional service and extensive global network. So, in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of booking your Delta Airlines plane tickets conveniently and securely. So let's get started and make sure your travel dreams become a reality.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start by visiting the Delta Airline website. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use this Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have in your PC or whatever preferred browser you have if you have a lot. Once you do so, go to the URL section, simply type delta.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of this Delta Airline website. And of course, from here, if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into your account because this will prevent you from wasting your time entering your personal information while you're booking your ticket. You can even go and create an account for yourself for future travels if you want to do the same. And of course, if you don't know much about like this Delta Airlines, you can scroll down, read more information about it, see the reviews of it, and etc. Because a lot of people will want to book up plane tickets on airline that is secured and has a lot of features with the good pricing. So see the features if you want by your own and see the reviews of other people. And of course, even if you create an account, you'll get some gift cards. So make sure to go and create an account for yourself. Once you, of course, explore and familiarize yourself with the website or the Delta Airlines. So now we have a lot of options. We can book, we can check in, or we can my trips, as example, or flight status. For us, of course, we want to book. So make sure you are on book. And here, as you can see, you can choose where you will have to start. So, as an example, let's just as it is. As an example, I'm just going to type here Barcelona, Spain. Why not? And the round trip, of course, what does round trip means? That means you are going and coming back on that trip. There's the one way option. That means you're just going, you're not coming back. And the multi-cities here, of course, you'll have to enter multi-cities. So you're going from city A to B, then from B to C, C to D, and etc. So for me, I'm just going with the round trip. And of course, the depart time, I'm just going to go with the last day of this month, and the return date is just going to be the last day of next month as example, and click on done. Here you can go and add how many passengers is going to be in this plane, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. So I'm just going to list one. And of course, here you can, as an example, check this option if you want like shop with miles. So that means like to learn more about booking awards and miles tickets. So you can visit even the frequently asked questions. There's the refundable fares. So you can read all that, pause the video and read it all if you want to, as you can see from here. And of course, there's this my dates are flexible. So I'll check this option because if you want to change the date for a cheaper one, if you want to, or cheaper flights. And then advanced search, as you can see, my best pairs for, as you can see, you can go for basic economy, main cabin, Delta Comforts, first class, Delta Premium Select, Delta One, depends on whatever you want. You can even enter meeting code here if you have one, which will give you like a promo code. So for me, I'm going to click here, which will search for plane tickets on the things that we choose here. So as you can see here, it's the same steps that I choose. So I guess they didn't find any plane. Yeah, they didn't find any plane. So as an example, let's just choose or change the place. So let's just go for Sevilla, Spain to Barcelona, Spain, or something like that, and let's just search for Spain or for plane. So same. I don't know. Then let's just look for from Manchester, United Kingdom to Barcelona. Let's see if this is available. No, so let's go as an example to Atlanta. I don't know. I'm just going to search until I find like a plane tickets that may like be here. So yeah, that's what you want. And as you can see here, they will find for you all the days that you want, and you'll find here even the lowest. So as you can see, the lowest is going to be on those dates. So as an example, I'm just going here and click on continue. So of course, the best always to look for the cheapest flight. So once you choose your flights, of course, you'll basically have to specify like the number of passengers, choose the plan that you want. Every plan, of course, comes with a lot of features, depending if you're going just to choose the economy light or economy classic, economy delight, premium or upper class. So of course, if you go and get some better plan, you will pay more, but it will be more comfortable, especially for a 13-hour trip. And the comfort is going to be a mandatory thing. So as you can see here, some planes will even get for you the Wi-Fi and some other features, but some of them will not. So go and get whatever suits you. Example, I'm just going to choose like this and the move to economy class, access restrictions, and of course, click on continue with economy light, not move to economy classic, because this will get us for just to pay more money. So basically from here we'll have to specify like more. So I'm just going to choose this here. So after that we'll have to specify the number of passengers and uh, review of course on my booking here, and simply as you can see click on continue to review and pay. And here I'll have to enter all the informations of my passengers of course, and simply I'll have to enter my card details to make my payment. And of course after that I'll be able to confirm everything I did, and this is normally the total price. Of course you can even add a gift card here if you want or if you have one, especially if you have an account on their website. Once you do so you will be good to go. You'll simply receive a booking confirmation, and you can even do like an online check-in as we said before. In the home screen you'll find like an online option. After you confirm everything, of course, you'll be able to even check in online if you want to, as you can see. So simply choose whatever you have here to check in online if you want to, or because this will save your time at the airports instead of going to do like a check-in in the airports, which will take from you some time because a lot of people doing it. And after that, you'll be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully booked your Delta Airlines plane tickets online. And of course, you are all set for your upcoming journey. Delta Airlines, of course, user-friendly websites ensure seamless booking experience. So be sure to verify all the details before finalizing your payment. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and we wish you a fantastic travel experience with Delta Airlines. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.